Hey cousin, let me show you how I make this super easy seafood rice. I picked up all of my ingredients at Food Bazaar. I'll be using 2 pounds of this seafood mix along with 1 pound of fresh shrimp that I peeled and cleaned. In my pot going on medium-high heat, I add 2 tablespoons of oil along with 1 heaping tablespoon of sofrito, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, and I add in 8 minced garlic cloves. All of the ingredients are listed in the caption. Then I add my veggies, half a red bell pepper, 1 small red onion, and half a cubanelle pepper. I combine and I add in half a cup of water. Then I add in 2 condiment sazon packets for color and I give that a mix. I add in the seafood mix that I rinsed, followed by the shrimp. Combine that and then I add in 2 cups of washed rice and 2 cups of water. This is the time to taste the broth and adjust the salt levels. I cover my pot for 10 minutes or until the rice has absorbed all of the liquid. Then I form my rice mountain so that the rice doesn't stick to the sides of the pot. I add fresh cilantro on top and I cover with aluminum foil. That's optional. I lower the flame to low and I cover for 20 minutes. Then I remove the cilantro for my picky eaters, break up the rice, and oh yeah! Our super easy seafood rice is done, cousin. Making this recipe with fresh seafood elevates the dish, but this is an easy alternative that gets the job done. Enjoy!